up if you've ever daydreamed of reaching for stars with goals as elusive as catching a unicorn. Well, count me in, because I once fantasized about living a life right out of Barbie's dream house. Now, while becoming a real-life Barbie might be possible, I have my insights on a more achievable dream. I see myself becoming an entrepreneur. Funny enough, though, I have never quite mastered the spelling of entrepreneur. But hey, maybe along the way, I might stumble upon my real-life Ken. Hello, everyone. My name is Arwa, and as I stand here, what I'll be saying is a narrative on resilience, hard work, and the valuable lessons I have learned from both success and failure. As I go into my academic achievements and failures, many of you here might be wondering, this is a very common speech, and that every famous person has made such boring speeches. But let me tell you, every speech has its own significance and importance, which may sound obvious to many, has changed a speaker's life and brought them to new heights. Outshining myself in this competitive academic field was once a lofty dream of mine. At that time in life, it felt akin to winning a lottery. When I was in primary school, there used to be a girl in my class. She was exceptional in many fields, and I, sitting at the back of the class, used to wonder, how is it even humanly possible to manage all this in the given 24 hours? That time, I was a below-average academic performing student, especially grumbling in maths, where my scores were as low as 1 out of 10 and even 0 out of 10. Well, I can go on and on about my academic failures, but this given time won't be enough. When I joined the school in year 9, I was thrust into an environment teeming with academic and various challenges. Though I managed to settle in, the obstacles I faced were plentiful still, including constant hardships, mental breakdowns, and anxiety. There were times when I crucially criticized myself, convincing myself that things would never change. Nights were particularly challenging as anxiety often woke me up, and in my unconscious mind made me stumble upon words due to my mind being burdened with negativity and anxiety. There were even times when seeking comfort, I have slept in my parents' room. Let me quote, Walt Disney said, "All our dreams are achievable if we have the passion to pursue them." This quote hits a realization that half our time in life we spend procrastinating when we know we need to be in action but choose not to. Why? Because it's easier. That's when in life I realized that my current approach was unmanageable and that I need to formulate a proactive plan rather than being trapped in this cycle of constant tears and overthinking. That's when I opted for therapy. It was a turning point in my life, offering a fresh outlook. I just did not learn to bounce back from setbacks, but crucially mastered the art of turning negative language into positive affirmations. What changed isn't my academic standing, it is my mindset, it is my approach to what it crucially means to excel. It all comes from self-belief and self-love, not just shaping me, but to many the person there today. Now in life, I'm not going to say that I'm the best person or the best version of myself, but yes, I can aim for goals that I have achieved and that I can make the impossible possible. People now around me ask me, how do I manage my presence in all possible areas, excel in my subjects, and just maintain myself? This was the chapter in life I never thought would unfold. Moving on, I'm going to now talk about the fourth sustainability development goal, which is quality education. Now, many of you might be wondering, what is that to do with my dream? As mentioned earlier, my dream is to become an entrepreneur. And this comes with the quality and excellent education that I receive. Thomas Carlyle's characteristics theory states that a famous leader is not shaped, but born. But to counter-argue, Robert Blake's behavioral theory says that a famous leader is shaped by his psychological behavior and knowledge. Connecting this to my dream, consider the many entrepreneurs whose paths have started from a single concept and drive to change the world. They live the transformational impact of education, having gone from modest beginnings to international success stories. They live the spirit of the fourth sustainability development goal, which calls for a life where dreams are real and achievable. Consider my journey as a cosmic flashlight for those dreaming to forging their own trail, not just in the academic jungle, but in the wild safari of life. Quick tip as I go. When life throws you curveballs, whip out a thirsty game plan. Consider a toolkit for successfully navigating life's intricate challenges. Thank you.